It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Hello?
Hi, baby. Well, let me check. I don't even know.
Because if it's like 6, then yeah, I can go, because I'll be done with my makeup.
Thank you so much. Alright, I'll let you get back to your makeup so I don't distract you. I'll see you around 5:30, right?
See you around 5:30.
Bye.
So before I put on the primer, I did do my skincare routine. So I started off with cleansed skin, did my routine, and then really let that soak into the skin, probably 15 minutes. And then you can go in with your primer. Next, I'm going in with this extremely tiny Smashbox Photo Finish Under Eye Primer. I put this under my eyes the same way I would an eye cream. We prime the rest of the face. Makeup still goes on the eyes, so it shouldn't be left out. I'm going to start off with concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Ivory No. 5. Damp sponge. We can use a little more. For foundation, I just picked up a brand new Estée Lauder Double Wear. Hello. Shade 1 and 2 Ecru. I'm starting off in sections. Okay, to set everything in, I'm going in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in 001 Transparent. And I'm going to use my Sephora Pro Featherweight Powder 91 brush. We won't set on top of the eyes, but underneath I'll be using Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Ethereal Light. And my Luxie 660 Precision Foundation. I'm going to do some quick brows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. Setting that with the Ulta Brow Gel. I'm grabbing the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Going into the Jeffree Star Thirsty Palette, we're going to grab the shade Subtle, taking that on this fluffy Moda crease brush that has yellow on it. Taking this double-ended brush from Luxie, the 249, flat side into that same shade, and we're going to go on the lid. And no fallout as of yet. Now we're going to go into this Luxie crease brush. This is the 229 Tapered Blending. Can you tell I'm a creature of habit? We're going to go into Drizzle, popping that in the same place as the other shade, just a little bit lower in the crease. Grabbing the flat side of that Luxie double-ended brush and going back into Drizzle and popping that on the lid. They blend really well together. Taking the back side of the brush and blending. Sort of fanning it outward to smoke out away from the eye. Going back in with that Moda brush and the lighter subtle shade and reinforcing that blend. Same shades on the lower with that No Name brush, the fluffy side. Starting with subtle first. Connect it to the top. And then drizzle. Grabbing this Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. Same No Name brush, the pencil shaped side this time. To apply this on the face, I'm taking the Real Techniques setting brush. And these Laura Geller illuminators are an extremely smooth formula, so you don't have to worry too much about the emphasis of texture. If you have issues with that, which Lord knows I do, I have a lot of it. I'm gonna spray my face with MAC Fix Plus. I'll curl my lashes with the Tarte Lash Curler and my favorite mascara currently of all time, the Touch in Soul Stretch-X Lash Effect Mascara. Wait, what? Stretch-X Stretch Lash Effect Mascara. Check this out. Bottom. Uh-oh. I'm gonna line my lips with the Jontéblu 955 lip pencil in Spice. Last step is the Urban Decay All Nighter.
It doesn't really matter.